I'm gonna do a short video of my daily operation here of what I do every morning with these towers, with these hydroponic towers. So the first thing we're gonna do out here is we're gonna come out to these towers and check the electrical current on them. Electrical current is directly tied to the nutrients that's in the solution that's feeding the plants. So let's see, that looks a little low. That's 0.8, 1.0, that might be okay. This is for romaine lettuce. I probably shouldn't have the strawberries and basil in the same tower here, but let's go ahead and check this. 1.2 to 1.4, that's probably okay for where those both are. I head out to my bigger towers out here, or my towers that are out in the yard. Oh, I can hear one of the pumps. That means the water's low in one of the reservoirs. So this is my tomatillo tower. I'm gonna get angle here for you. Reading at about 1.2 to 1.4. What I do is I come in here and I say, hey, Lobby, my tower 4 is at a EC of 1.4. Okay, let's check these guys. This is the bean tower. This one needs more stuff in it. But I can't see that. That is reading at a 1.2, but that's gonna change because we got to add water to it. So I'm actually gonna go and I'm gonna add water to each one of these reservoirs and retake their readings. All right, let's see. Let's grab this guy here. Let's go right here. Right here. See, that might be a little too high because I need to put nutrients in there. You can see we're sitting at, I don't know if you can see that real well, but it's flashing 0.6. So we're gonna have to bring these beans, the EC up on them. Log that tower 3, after applying more water in the basin, is at 0.6 EC. And this is a little frustrating. This means my chickens have been enjoying the lettuce, those punks. Okay, let's get this reading here on the lettuce. 0.8 to 1.0. It doesn't need much. I don't know. I think that might be okay. I might bring it up a little bit. Let's see if we can get a good angle there. See? 0.8, 1.0. All right, we need to log that tower 2 is at 0.8 to 1.0 EC. With the current readings, is there any adjustments that need to be made? So this says tower 2 looks fine for now. We need to watch out for tower 3, which has 0.6. Tower 4 at 1.4 is still a bit low for tomatoes and tomatillos, so we need to nudge that up. So I don't need to touch the lettuce tower, but we need to bump the beans and the tomatoes. Look, there you are. The beauties of ADHD. Yeah, it's off the charts, but we're gonna use it to bump the water in the solution that's in the one tower. Okay, now let's recheck the tomato tower and the bean tower. Okay, it looks like we've boosted the readings in the tomato tower to about 1.4, 1.6. I think that might be okay. The reading is at 1.2, still needs more. I might go get a heavier dose in my can. Get there. Probably pour it from the top. So that way it gets mixed in. Oh, mezclado. 1.2 to 1.4. Okay, so my tower 3 now is reading at 1.4. And tower 4 was reading at 1.6? 1.4 as well. Okay, so it looks like we have both these towers in range now. 1.4 is good for both of them. That's it. That's the morning routine I do, and I'll come check these throughout the day. Make sure they always have water in the reservoir. It's kind of easy to run out. Especially the beans. The beans seem to drink up a lot of water. So, yeah, that's everything.